Hello everyone, welcome to the Domain Racer. In this video, I am going to show you how to activate your add-on domains in WHMCS. So, in configuration section, here the add-on modules are present. Click on that. Here you can see the multiple modules are present. You can activate any of them. So, I will choose Google Analytics, and to activate this module, click on Activate. Here I have already activated this. So, you have to configure this. So, click on Configure. After click on Configuration, this information will show, that is Analytics version, Google Analytics 4, Google Analytics and Universal Analytics. You can choose any from there. I am going to choose Google Analytics. So, here the measurement ID means tracking ID you have to enter here, and next is a tracking domain. So for a tracking ID you have to sign up into Google Analytics first. So come to the new tab and type here Google Analytics and click on this link. Here you can see sign into analytics option. So click on this option. After clicking on this, you can see the Google Analytics page is open. Here you can see the new sign up we have to do here. So click on Start Measuring. Here create an account. So here account details are present. So account name is Domain Racer. You can choose here any account name and click on Next. In next page, you have to enter the property details. Like here property name is, I am going to enter here domainracer.com, and you have to choose your time zone. I am going to enter here India, currency in Indian rupees, and click on Next. Here in third page, business details are available. You can choose any from this. Right now I am choosing here 1 to 10 employees, and here you have to choose the business and industrial option and 1 to 10 employees. Click on Next. So here choose your business objectives. Here is only 5 options are present. So I am going to choose general leads. Click on Create. So here you can see some analytic terms and services agreement is here. So you have to just click on this. I also accept this and click on I accept. Here is the last page is data collection, and here choose the platform. I am choosing here web. So my website is www.domainracer.com and my website name is Domain Racer. So click on Create Stream. Now you can see currently the data collection isn't activate for on my website. So don't worry about this. You can see here the measurement ID is present. So copy this ID and paste here. So after entering the measurement ID, you have to enter here tracking domain. Enter your domain here which you want to track. I am giving here domain name Domain Racer, and choose the access control. In access control, choosing the admin rule group to permit access to the modules. Here I am going to choose full administrator. You can choose any from this and click on Save the changes. Here you can see the changes are successfully saved and we have activated the add-ons in WHMCS. If you have any doubt related to installation and other, then go through our series. You will definitely get the solutions from there.